Welcome to Skillify. Today we are going to discuss about the next module, which is NumPy. NumPy. So this is one of the package which is used to work with the arrays. First of all, what is NumPy? NumPy is a Python library. Python library that is used to work with the arrays. We can work with arrays. We can work with arrays with the help of NumPy. So actually, NumPy is a Python library that we can work with the arrays. Arrays is nothing but it is some type of list. So we'll discuss how to work with that and what are all the functions we are having inside that NumPy. Mainly, we are using NumPy in the domain of linear algebra or Fourier transform or any mathematical operations. The main focus of the NumPy is to work with mathematical operations like Fourier transform, algebras, and matrices. This is what the NumPy is. So NumPy is nothing but numerical Python. Numerical Python. The major work is it will help us to work with mathematical functions. Mathematical functions, which is algebra, matrices, etc. So this is what the basic NumPy is. And the next thing is, and the next thing is how to install this NumPy and how to work with that. How to install this. So the installation process is nothing but pip install NumPy. So this is the way we are installing the packages, which is Pillow, Pandas, etc. For this also, we are using that by using pip install. I'm just installing that first. Pip install NumPy. So first we need to install that NumPy package. So I'm having that already. So it is showing that requirement already satisfied. The first thing is we have to install that package. What is the next thing means? We have to create an ND array. Already we have discussed that it is work with an array object. So I'm just creating a basic NumPy array. First we need to import that. Import NumPy. As same as we have discussed in Pandas, I'm just using that NumPy in the name of NP. So I'm just creating an array. How to create an array in NumPy? Just creating an object ARR is equal to NP dot array. So this is the way we have to create an array. I'm just creating one-dimensional array here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what the empty array I'm just created along with the NumPy. How to create that array means by using NP, the NP which is the NumPy. After that we have to create an array by using the array keyword. Inside this I'm creating one-dimensional array. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I'm printing that ARR. I'm just running this code. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the output. This is the way to create an one-dimensional array by using NumPy package. So we can be able to see which type of array is this by using type of function, type ARR. Just running this code. So it will display numpy.nd array. This is the type which is numpy.nd array. So it is displaying that. So this is the way we have to import the NumPy and we are creating one-dimensional array by using NumPy package. The next thing is how to create an 2D arrays here. So this is the 1D array. I'm just creating 2D array now. I'm creating another one variable here. A is equal to np dot array. I'm just creating two-dimensional array. How to create that? I have to create two square brackets, and inside one square bracket, I'm just giving 1, 2, 3. And in another square bracket, I'm giving 4, 5, 6. So this is the two-dimensional array. I'm just printing that variable A here. Yeah, I'm running this code. So it will display the output as 2D array. That is 1, 2, 3 is one array and 4, 5, 6 is the another array. So this is the way we have to create a two-dimensional array. And like this way, we can create n number of arrays in NumPy. So the next thing is we can able to find which type of array here. For example, this is a one-dimensional array, but this is a two-dimensional array. How we can fetch that? What is this array? For that, we are having one user-defined inbuilt function, that is ndim. So I'm just giving a dot ndim. So what it will display, we'll see. So I'm just running this code. It will display 2 because the a variable holds two-dimensional array here. So it is displaying the value as 2. The next thing is, if I'm printing n dimension for print arr dot ndim. So arr has one-dimensional array here. So if I'm printing that, we will get 1 because arr variable holds one-dimensional array and a variable holds two-dimensional array. This is the difference between one-dimensional and two-dimensional array. And ndim is a function we can that is used to fetch the which number of array it is holding. So the next thing is how we can create this array. I'm just printing and fetching what type of array is this. But now we have to do how to create a n-dimensional array by using the function. So I'm just creating one variable b equal to np dot array. I'm just creating one-dimensional array here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after that, I'm just giving nDmin equal to, I'm just creating 3. So what it will do means, I'm just printing b. After that, I'm running this code. The actual thing, what happened here is, it will create 3-dimensional array. Because I gave 3, but my input here is 1-dimensional array. If I'm giving 3 inside min, I'm just giving 3 value here. So it will display the 3-dimensional array. It is creating our 1-dimensional array into 3-dimensional array. For displaying the arrays with the user-defined values, we will use ndim. ndim will fetch the array number, but nDmin will display the array which we are giving in the user-defined format. This is the way we have to create our own array with our own index. The next, these are all the basic things. First is we have discussed how to install the NumPy package. After that, I'm just importing NumPy module and I'm just creating one-dimensional array by using NumPy. After that, we are printing that array and we are finding which type of array is this. And the next thing is I'm creating two-dimensional array. After that, we are printing that. ndim is nothing but to fetch which type of array it is, whether it is one-dimensional array or two-dimensional array. We can fetch that values by using ndim. The last thing is nDmin. We can create our own user-defined array, whether it will be one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array. If we gave any values inside that nDmin means, it will display the array which we gave inside the nDmin. So the next thing we are going to see is how to fetch the values from by using the indexes. So here we are having, for example, I'm taking this ARR value again here. So yeah, I'm just printing print ARR of 0. So what is the value in the 0th position means 1. So I'm just running this code. So we'll get the value 1. We can use direct index, which we have discussed in the lot of data types. So I'm just using that method to fetch the value in the index position. If I gave 3 means it starts from 0. In the 0th position, it is 1. In first position, we are having 2. Second position, we are having 3. And in the third position, we are having 4. So it is displaying the value as 4. This is the way we can get the index value. Yeah, we can do any additional performance in this. I'm just adding ARR of 2 plus ARR of 3. So we are having 3 in the AR of second position and we are having 4 in the AR of third position. Then what will be the output is 7. So see here we will get 7. We can directly add this value. This is supported by NumPy. Now we can give some limitations here. For example, I am giving print ARR of 0, 1. So what will be the output? In the 0th position, we are having 1 here. And in the first position, we are having 2 here. So it will display only the second element from the list. That is, I am running this code. This is our 0th array. And our position here is 1. So it will display 2 as the output. 2 were indexed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ARR print ARR 0. Okay, I have created one dimensional array here. Just I'm using this array, which is A. Yeah. How to get the values? I'm just printing A of 0, 1. How does it will work means first it will take 0. That is, it is a 0th array. That is, this is what the 0th array. And 4, 5, 6 is the first array. I'm just printing 0, 1. How it will fetch that value means it will fetch 0th array first. That is 1, 2, 3. And from that it will fetch first position. That is 0, 1, 2. In the first position we are having 2. So it will display the value as 2. I'm just repeating this. We are created 2-dimensional array here. This is what the 0th position array. This is what the 0th position array. And this is what the first position array. So I'm just giving 0, 1. Our 0th position array is 0th position array is 1, 2, 3. From that I'm fetching 1. So in the first 0th position we are having 0, 1, and in the first position we are having 2. So it is displaying the value as 2. I'm writing another one example here. Then we can get some clear idea in this. I'm just printing 1, 1. So here our first one, 0th array is 1, 2, 3, and our first array is 4, 5, 6. I am just giving 1. So it will take first array. In that it is fetching first value, which is 0th position we are having 4, and in the first position we are having 5. So it will display the value as 5. If I am giving 2 here means in the 0th position we are having 4, and in the first position we are having 5, and in the second position we are having 6. So it will display the value as 6. So this is the way we can able to get the values by using its range. Yeah, the next thing is we can do some reverse operation here. How to do that? Here we are taking the same array and just printing print A of 1, minus 1. So what does it mean by minus 1? Minus 1 will take the value in the reverse order. That is, I am just giving first array. So it is taking 4, 5, 6 as a first array. In that I have mentioned minus 1. Minus 1 means it will fetch it from last one. That is minus 1 we are having 6, minus 2 we are having 5, and minus 3 we are having 4. Like this way it will move on. So I am just fetching first minus 1 value from the first array. So minus 1 value is 6 and it is in the first array. So our output will be 6 here. Minus 1 will get calculated in the reverse order. So in the first 0th array, our minus 1 value is 3. And in the first array, our minus 1 value is 6. If I am printing, print 0, minus 1 means it will print A 0, minus 1. I am just giving like this. It will fetch the value from 0th array, that is 1, 2, 3. In that I am getting the value minus 1. So our minus 1 value is 3. So if I am running this code means we will get the value as 3. If I am changing this to minus 2 means it will fetch the value as 2. So it will comes from minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. This is the way it will get move on. So this is the way we have to get the value by using my negative numbers. So the main part in the NumPy is slicing. What is slicing means? We are having two syntax here. Start, end. So the next thing is start, end, step. This is the two ways we are having in this slice operation. Slice is nothing but we are dividing our operation. Just I'm giving one example here. Yeah, I'm just taking this array. ARR. I'm just printing ARR 1:5. So how does it will work? It will start from first position and ends in fifth position. Our first position we are having 2, and in the second position we are having 3, and in the third position we are having 4, and in the fourth position we are having 5. So it will get stopped in the fourth position itself because we are having n position as 5. If I'm running this code means it will display 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm stopping here 4 means, so it will stop in the third position itself because 4 is my ending position. So it will print 2, 3. That is in the first position we are having 2, and in the second position we are having 3, and in the third position we are having 4. It will get stopped in the 2, 3 and fourth position because 4 is our ending position. So it won't add the value in the fourth position. I'm just repeating this. I'm just creating another one thing. AR of 0:3. So how does it will work? It starts from 0th position. That is, first is a start position and second is a end position. So it gets starts from 0th position, that is 1, and it ends in third position, that is, it will print up to 2, second position. So in the 0th position we are having 1, in the first position we are having 2, and in the second position we are having 3. So it will print 1, 2, and 3 here. So this is the way we can use the slice operator. And the next thing is we are having some specific functions in slicing, that is ARR 4:. How does it will work? I'm just giving start position and there is no end position for our value. I'm just running this code. It will start from fourth position, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just giving another one value 7, 8. So it will start from fourth position and it will end in the last position. That is, it starts from fourth position, which is having 5, 7, and 8. That is, we are giving start position only, but we don't give any end position. So it will start the value from our starting position and it will display all of the elements till the end. If I'm giving print ARR 4:4, then how it will be work means I didn't give any start position here. So obviously it will take the value from 0th position and it will get the end in the third position. That is, in 0th position we are having 1. In the first position we are having 2. In the second position we are having 3. In the third position we are having 4. So in the fourth position with this end position, so it will print 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the way we can use slicing. First position is a start position and second position is a end position. If we didn't give any start position means it will get the start position from 0. And at the same time, if we didn't give any end position means it will end at the last element. We can do this by using negative numbers also. For example, if I'm giving ARR -3, -1. So how does it will work? I'm just having an array -3. So it starts from -3. That is, -1 we are having 8. In the -2 position we are having 7. In the -3 position we are having 5. So it starts from -5 and ends in -1. That is 5 and 7, because end position we won't consider that value. So it starts from 5 and ends in 7. -3 and -2 will get printed. In the -3 position we are having 5 and in the -2 position we are having 7 and it will get stopped in the -1. This is the way we have to use the negative indexing here. The last thing is AR of 1, 5, 2. Yeah, how does it will work? Here we gave the one syntax, that is start, end, and step. So in the start position, I'm having 1. That is, it starts from 2. In the end position, we are having 5. So it will get end in the fourth position itself. I'm just giving 2. 2 means it will step down into 2 positions. That is, So running this code means it will print 2 and 4 because it starts from the first position, which is 2, and it will step down, that is, it will jump into the second position. So it will jump at 3 first, and then again it will jump to 4. Then we are having, so there is 2 jump because we gave 2 here. After that 2 jump, we are having 4. The next it will again jump into 2 positions, but we gave some limit here, that is 5. So it is stop in that position. If I am giving 7 here, and I'm adding another 2 values here. So how does it will work? First, it will start from first position. In that, we are having 2. After that, it will jump into 2 positions. Then it will print 4. After that, it will jump into 2 position. That is, we are having 7. I'm just running this code. So it will display 247 because 7 is our ending value. So it will stop at the 7th position. So this is the way we have to use slicing. These are all the basic operations which we are using in the NumPy, and I think it will help you guys to work with mathematical operations. And apart from the data types, here we have discussed what is slicing, what is negative indexing, how we can give only the start position, and how we can able to get without giving any end position. These are all the basic things, and how can we create one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional arrays. These are also won't support any data types because we have seen lot of functions in data types, but in NumPy we have discussed how to create an different type of arrays. So this is what the main purpose of NumPy packages.